loves, it's Elle, and today I wanted to bring you guys along. I'm finally, for the new year, organizing and just spiffing up my bathroom. Honestly, I have organizational systems in place, but they just needed a little refresh. So before I got to actually organizing, I went through and did a big declutter. And that I got rid of a bunch of products and just threw stuff away in the trash. Once I kind of finished my declutter, I was like, okay, now I'm ready to go and freshen up my organization. So that's the plan. So here we're gonna go do that. So what I'm most shocked about is I'm getting rid of makeup I don't use. I haven't used in forever, or it's really old and I've just been holding on to. And I'll show you guys, because this is a big deal for me, because I have a hard time letting go of my makeup. This is everything that's going. RIP. But honestly, the bag is not too full, which is kind of surprising. And I think a lot of it is just cluttered. This is my main drawer, and honestly, it's kind of gross. So I'm gonna be wiping down stuff. I like the layout of this, so I think I'm gonna keep the layout the same. But I'm gonna be wiping down my products and cleaning out the drawer itself, the actual drawer part. my bathroom is all nice and organized now. Like my countertop is so clean. This basically all stayed the same, but we're gonna start over here. So this is like my main hair drawer. I have hairbrushes, my like Luther scrunchies, telly ties, silk scrunchies, just some that I wear like for when I do my natural hair. Like these are just old, like so, or if I'm oiling my hair. I have a big silk scrunchie in there. This is just like hair clips. This is like a sponge, styling tools, combs, and then I have more clips back there. And then this is really cool. So this drawer actually has like a strip, so I can plug in my hot tools, turn them on, and they can stay in here like at a salon. I have all my different hair products that I use when I'm styling my hair in here as well. And I have heatless curlers there. Under my sink, I do have stuff. It's not like extremely organized. I have like my Dyson case, gel nail polish remover, packing cubes, and just like boxes of other stuff. But here's my main drawer, my bathroom. So it's here on the left of my sink, and it has like most of my makeup that I use every day and all my everyday stuff. So for the makeup, here's just like my everyday makeup, lip products, mascara, my everyday skincare, like retainers, toothpaste, everyday like I have hair gel, for like curl gel, and then deodorant, simple stuff. And then underneath, I redid this, but I have extra toilet paper, first aid, most of my first aid, like medical stuff, band-aids, any like medicine stuff. I have clean extra makeup brushes that aren't like my everyday. I have other skincare products I don't use every day, and these are like my main ones that I don't use on the daily. And then I have like my little hair band and a shower cap. Underneath, I redid this, but I have like my tools for doing gel nails. I have my nail polish, and then I have like contacts and like braces stuff from back in the day back there, hand sanitizers, and extra perfumes down here. Here is like my toilet area. I just have my speaker, a room spray, and like a bunch of different moisturizers. My shower, pretty simple. Just have all my soaps in there, bubble bath, and I have like the cool flamingo razor that goes onto there. In my cabinets, I just have sheets, my robe for the summer, towels, which one little guy fell off. And in here is like washcloths, more towels, and this is my laundry bin actually. And then up here, my cabinets. This is like I have some lashes, eyeliner, stuff I really don't use. This is like flossing stuff, and then like extra random like little mirrors or like headbands for like traveling on the go. I have Q-tips, a spray bottle, refills for razors. This is where I put dirty makeup brushes that I need to wash. I have extra eyeshadow palettes and like makeup I'm not currently really using. Over here are other shower products that like I use, but not on the daily. So they kind of like are in here. I have like feminine products in this like turntable, which is honestly genius. And I love like using this. This is where I keep my refills for products. And then at the top, I have sunscreen, this basket of like empty cosmetic bags. Then in here I have my makeup bag, and then my travel cosmetic bag, which is pretty much already packed. So you just grab and go. And then in here I have travel size products. Here's a better view of up here and kind of my travel size situation. So here's my bathroom. Obviously I have towels and my robe over there. I hope this like inspired you guys to clean your bathroom and get all organized for the new year.